Obviously, the International Criminal Court is independent in its work, and I've said from the very beginning how important it is that everyone respect and abide by international law. What I will say is troubling, though, is the sense of an equivalency between the democratically elected leaders of Israel and the bloodthirsty terrorists that lead up Hamas. I don't think that's helpful.
We respect the independence of the ICC. All parties must make sure that they abide by international law, including international humanitarian law. We've been calling all parties to do so for months now, and so therefore we are closely monitoring the process. First and foremost, of course, there's no equivalency because one organization is a terrorist organization, the other one is a state. That being said, charges that have been laid are different. What I'm telling you right now is that we will respect the independence of the court and therefore of its process, and we'll follow it very closely. And of course, the court will continue to do its work, and we will make sure that we react accordingly.
We should be very clear. Canadians, or Canada, was a signatory, one of the initial founders or supporters of the founding of the ICC. That is a court that we support, and we've signed on to the international laws. And to support that court means supporting the decisions that it takes. And that means if the court rules on the arrest warrants, then Canada should clearly state that, yes, we would not only respect, we would support the decision, and then we would execute the warrant in relation to international law. But let's also be very clear. For international law, for rule of law to work, the law should apply to everyone, and the law should be supported. And Canada should show leadership and say very clearly that we would support the decision and we would execute whatever the decision is.